In a rather unfortunate move, Twitter has deleted Elon Musk's account. This comes just a few days after the test the billionaire threatened to cancel. The Twitter deal. Is the Twitter board justified in deleting Elon Musk's Twitter account? What options does the tech icon have after his account was deleted? Join me today in this video where we shall explore how Twitter just deactivated Elon's account. American microblogging platform Twitter has confirmed that on a daily basis it deletes around 1 million malicious accounts, but things get different when the Twitter account in question is that of a billionaire like Tesla CEO Elon Musk, who has more than 100 million followers on the social media site. It is even interesting that the Tesla founder is more popular than Twitter on Twitter, given that the social media platform has only 62 million followers, whereas Elon Musk has reached more than 100 million followers. A majority of the netizens have faulted the Twitter management board for deactivating Elon's account after he threatened to walk out of the Twitter purchase agreement. Elon's fans, followers, and supporters believe that their tech hero is unfairly targeted by the Twitter board led by chairman Brett Taylor. Musk is not the first celebrity